Hey, what's up, guys? Quick up close look at these WorkPRO utility knives here. I've used quite a few different WorkPRO tools and utility knives, and these ones are different because they're so small. So it's something that's super easy to carry around with you. I know I'm always like cutting stuff open, different boxes and rope, twine, all kinds of random stuff. Sometimes having these small ones in my pocket are really nice. So I really like these just because of how small they are. I will say that because of how small they are, sometimes it's a little harder to get extra leverage if you're trying to cut open big stuff. If your blades get dull, it can make it a little bit difficult to hold on to. To have a utility knife that's this small you can easily carry around with you is really nice to me. It does come in a 3-pack and also has a pack of blades. I don't remember how many, like 10 blades. I don't remember exactly how many it came with. Just again, yeah, up close look. So you can see they're small and easy to carry around with you.